Okay, it just died. Okay, well, guys, welcome back to my channel. This match just started. Um, Thank you for 7 subscribers. We're going to celebrate. You did die. We're going to celebrate though by playing. We're gonna play different games. If you guys like it, we'll play it again. If you guys don't like it, we'll. Where's everyone? Still 4 people. I don't see any. Yeah, I knew somebody was gonna be there. What? Oh, and somebody's there. Okay. Oh, I finally got to level 5. I think. Yeah, I got to level 5. Oh my. It literally went under his arm. Well, somebody's in the window. Okay. That did not look like it was gonna hit. 50? I should have like 1,000 points. Some kid has 500. Come back. You can come back. You didn't. Okay, that would have hit. That would have hit. Somebody's here. Somebody's gonna spawn right here, and then I'm just gonna be here, and then scope, and then headshot them, okay? Yeah, nobody's there. And why am I in last place? You know what we gotta do? This kid's ahead of me? There's no way he's ahead of me. He's ahead of me? There's no way he's ahead of me. Who else is ahead of me? 2 people. You used to be ahead of me? Okay, yeah, maybe. Yeah, you are ahead of me by a lot. It was right here, yeah. Not ahead of me. He is, but like, who cares? Stack like he isn't. Wait, does it like Q zoom in? No, C is to zoom in. Ooh. That's literally a free kill. Why did I miss? Where'd he go? Thank you. What? Wait, what? It glitched. Okay, so next video, it's also gonna be today, maybe tomorrow, but we are going to do krunker, but zooming in only with C. Hit marker, I guess. No, not really. It's like the opposite. I'm lost. Okay, imagine. What? Okay. Next video, only zooming in with C. Okay, let's try one right now. Let's see how hard it is. I mean, close to WASD. I didn't even shoot. That other bullet, that bullet was some other person's. The space bar is right next to C too. Yeah, I quit. This is really hard. Kanji? I do not know what KC stands for though. If I right click it, will it tell me? No, it won't. I just wanted to do that. I've been to that area one time. I don't think I was recording it. I'm pretty sure it's a new area. Okay, so 3 people voted. 3 out of 5. That's a lot, I guess. KG. Oh, it says right there. Kill confirmed. What does that mean? I'm blind. I'm literally blind. I suck at close range with snipers. I mean, I have to quick scope them or no scope them. If I no scope right here, it should go right there. But I wasn't even close. See, no scopes are hard. It's not even the middle. It just goes somewhere in that like line. I really don't like this. Kill confirmed? What does that even mean? Why is this going... This kid's going so fast. Oh, I almost hit him too. Aw. Wish he was there. Well, he's right there. I thought my teammate was right there, but he wasn't. He was right here. Wait, if he's right here, that means he's the person... Guess number 2, right? Or was it 5? He's near here, yeah. I hit him, but it didn't kill him. Reload. Finally. What does that do? Congratulations. You're better than me now. I suck at this game. Oh, he died. That means, come back, come back. Actually, come back. No, no. Wait, I'd rather get him. He was lagging, I think. Or I just died, that's why. One of those. Ooh, helicopter pad. I don't know what these are called. Did I actually just fall off? Do I die? Yeah, I do. Oh, wait, what? There were people here. I'm using pistol. Aiming with C is literally impossible. I tried it. I hit 2 shots. It's impressive. But with the sniper, I'm dead. That lagged. It's not my fault. Well, at least I'm not. Oh my god, guess number 2's goated. Jeez. I think he just joined. But like a while ago. I mean, hearing stuff. Oh, wait. How did I not see him? Lulu. That's the name. Wait. I'm pressing W. It's not working. Oh, okay. No, he got the coin. How dare you? It's illegal. Oh, I forgot to reload. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's just cool right there. Let's do free for all. This is the actual match that I will like. Why is it taking so long? It's a 0. Okay. We're in. Wait. Oh, you can't shoot because it's so fast. I had to no-scope him. Or else I would have died, but like, still. Does that kid have 2 kills? Look, he has 175. How do they have 175? Oh, no, that kid. Now he's in the lead. He got one like 25 or something. He got another kill. It says at the top right there. Wait, where did he just come from? That missed. No, there's no way that missed. I'm the world's best sniper. And, oh my god! Oh my god, I actually hit that. Okay. Now I know what the thumbnail of this video is gonna be. Regenerate my health. No, he could shoot there. That lagged too. Why does it keep lagging? Out. Vote kick. Vote kick. They're annoying. Wait, is guest 3? Okay, maybe not guest 3. Wait, he was right there. I thought he was going that way. I'm low though. I'm really low. Regenerate. I hear them. The right behind this. Behind this. Yeah. 4 HP. Scary. Oh, I was aiming at the wall. Okay, never mind. Let's change it up a bit. Okay. Let's try shotgun. The spruce. Let's go. Okay, I know where that person is. It glitched. Now I know where he is. He's here. He went like there, somewhere here. Then he probably moved. He was like more back here though. So he was like here. Yeah, he was more down. He's behind me. Wait, how did he die? I'm so confused. 1 HP. Let's go. That was a headshot. There's no way. I got his chest, not even his head. Regenerate faster. I have to do that so I know if they're behind me. Because everybody's like a super sneak. Crouch, crouch, crouch. Run, run, run. No! Oh, he jumped. Okay, there's no way he would have got me if he didn't. I would just waited around the corner and then shotgun his head, and then he would have died. Oh, I crashed into the wall. Reload. What? I shot. Hit marker. I shot. He was right here. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so we're looking for people. Where'd he go? Right here. I shot. Okay. What the? That scared me. 13. Oh my god. I wasn't recording, but I got a cool kill. It says 50. It was on that person, I think. Why is it not hitting him? Am I that bad? What does buzzkill even mean? That was not cool at all. I will kill you if it's the last thing I will do. Question mark. I forgot to reload. Imagine I get both. Aw, he was using a pistol too. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do that. 16, then 100. That's a lot better. Now, what? I see him. At least 1 damage. Come on, at least do 1. Right behind this or this. Did he not notice me? 50, okay. Okay, well guys, that's all for today's video. Bye, I guess.